This is the Bimmerth Breast Milk Storage Bag Set, a practical solution for storing and organizing breast milk safely and conveniently. Each bag holds up to 8 ounces and is designed with a BPA-Free material, making it suitable for everyday use. The thick, durable construction helps the bags maintain their shape and reliability during storage. One feature I really like is the double zipper seal. It adds an extra layer of protection to help reduce leaks, which is especially important when storing milk in the fridge or freezer. The self-standing design is also very convenient. You can fill the bags more easily without needing extra support, and they stand upright for neat storage and better organization. With 112 bags included, this set offers a generous supply, making it a great option for longer-term use or building a consistent storage routine. If you're looking for dependable, easy-to-use breast milk storage bags with thoughtful features for daily convenience, this set is a practical choice.